Alright, welcome back to episode 3, Grumpy Bastards Honest Reviews. So I've watched episode 5 and 6 of Stranger Things. Where to start really. So the kids, I seem to think in my last review I seem to have got it right. There seems to be a parallel universe. The Flea and the Acrobat give that away with their little speech. The Vale of the Shadows and Dungeons and Dragons and this other little universe, and the board game being flipped upside down. I mean, okay, so I've guessed that. I ain't no rocket scientist, but it just seems a bit daft to me. I don't. Are you into that? I'm not into that. It's not believable. I don't see how anyone. Let's be honest. It's set in the 80s, which I'm loving, by the way. I'm absolutely loving all the 80s stuff. But for me, with regards to the reality of it, I can't get grips with it. You either leave reality and you go into something like Star Wars or Jurassic Park and all that, or I mean, I just can't get my head around it. So I'm just struggling. What is with this little girl in a fish tank? She goes in a fish tank with her headset with like a hairnet on. They shut the door, and then she's in a black room, walking on water, going up to people that are standing there talking. They can't see her. And then in the 6th one, you find out she's touched the monster. She's opened the portal. She's pissed off. Well, you know, she wound me up anyway. Them boys are following north on the compass because that little clever dude realised that the compasses would be attracted to magnets. They're going to the north, and she's using her power. She's getting a nosebleed, telling them they're going the wrong fucking way. So wait a minute. You're like that little worm in the labyrinth. You seen the labyrinth? That little worm right at the beginning. She goes, "What way's to the castle?" She goes, "Oh, that way." And when she fucks off, she goes, "We don't go that way. That leads you right to the castle." You little twat. Fucking don't mess about. We could have been there 2 episodes ago. But oh no, you're doing a load of bullshit. You know the thing that really fucked me off this one? Really pissed me off? That tree. End of episode 5, start of episode 6. She finds a tree. It's pulsating. A load of gooey shit hanging from it. Fine. Get on the old blower. Or go home. Get someone. Show him it. What you don't do is put your head in it. Crawl in. I mean, I don't like walking through cobwebs. I'm like, cough. Right? She puts her head in it. If you're going to get in, you go feet first. Everybody knows that. If you go in and you get something in your head, good possibility you'll die. Something bites your foot off, you could live without a foot. 2 more episodes left. Everyone on my Facebook's going mad over this. Everyone wants a second series. Personally, I'm just be glad when this is over. I'll get my life back. I won't have to waste it. I'm watching the transfer market at the moment because it's the last day. So I won't be watching episodes 6, 7 and 8 tonight. But until I do, I'll have something else to moan about. But until then, ciao for now.